It's Saturday. It's boring. Market is closed. Um, let's go and see what we can find in crypto. Let's see if we can do a quick scalp. I'm going to show you my screen real quick first. I just opened up the charts. I don't even know what there is to even trade or even look at the moment. But as you can see, right down below here, we're up 10.5 grand so far. That's even after us getting fucked very hard by that NAS trade. I'm forever going to speak upon it. I 100% will be. It hurt us very hard. This one over here. It hurt us very hard when we got stopped out over here. Yeah. It is currently going our way. Obviously, I do gotta fix my stop loss more. Now I know I should be extending this higher than the previous high, but I'm going to leave it as I had it just for a visual reminder. Stick to your trade. Don't look for that 1:6 ratio that I was wanting just because, oh my god, 1:6. Who the fuck would not want that shit, you know? But yeah. Oh wow, I don't got no stop loss or take profit here. Okay. Let's go and bring this down real quick. Boom, little 20 bands, stop loss, 10 bands. Alrighty. Obviously market is closed. I can't do nothing. I'm gonna do my Sunday or overview tomorrow. See how this week treated us, and what we got stopped out on, or even what we've gained. But in the meantime, let's go and focus on crypto. Let's see what is up right now. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's start off there. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Not all of that. Hide drawings. Okay, perfect. So on the daily, boom, 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 4 hour. Seems like it'll be bearish. Seems like there should be a pullback just because we already had this drop already. The 1 hour. Okay, I see some space over here around the 69,600 area to 69,200 area. 30-minute. Okay. 15-minute. 10-minute. This just maybe. Oh, we do have a. That's not really a tweezer bottom. You know what? We're gonna try this. I'm not sure how much 10 is. Oh, all right, we're buying 11. Oh shit, that may be a lot. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Stop loss. It's gonna hurt us a little bit if this does not go our way. Let's go down to the 1 minute. May not go all the way up there. It may not go all the way up there. I'm gonna clear my screen a little bit. Let me give you guys a better visual as to where we're at and what we're doing. Ah, shit. Boom. Give me a quick second. I'm gonna go on the higher time frame real quick. Let me just go ahead and adjust this as well. Right here. How about that? We're gonna go back in the 1 minute. We got a lower low. We got the low here. We got a higher low. And then we got a higher low of that as well. We did make a higher high here. Not there yet. What do we see here that I like? I don't like how this is low, higher than this area right here. I just spoke about this on my Instagram video about the left side being lower or higher, depending on which direction we're going. But for our case, this should be lower. I'll play this one a bit more conservative now that I've seen that. I'd rather lose some than a lot, just because we've gotten hurt so many times. And we may get hurt. That's 45-second time frame looking. We might be cooked, chat. We might be extremely cooked. Here's the M to the downside. This right here is a perfect example. I failed to see it. I failed to see it because I was looking at the higher time frames. You have this beautiful M. Had a bullish, bearish, bullish, and bearish. Check this out. Let's put a line graph on it real quick. Boom. M. So I would expect us to go lower. But at the same time, higher time frames rule the market, including overall direction. So I would not be surprised if we do get stopped out. At the same time, I believe we've already bottomed out to finally change direction to the upside. That right there is my prediction. I'm gonna stand by. There was a part of me. There was a part of me. The moment I saw that M, I was debating if I should just click this reverse button, automatically take my loss, and then roll over to a short position rather than a long position. We do have a candlestick pattern here. But at the same time, we do have one here as well. This right here, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, that's to the downside. But over here, we got bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, that's to the upside. So it's going to be dancing a little bit. As long as we stay or even bounce, keep on this EMA, this blue one, we should be good. We should be good. We've been consolidating a lot already over here. Lots of consolidation. I'm just sticking to my guns. And then boom, over here. Oh my God, you can see that on a 3-minute time frame. Look at that. We have a W formatting right now. Line, down, up, down, up. But obviously it has to go through. We got to see. It is Saturday. I'm not expecting much of a move. But hey, when you're on a fucking paper account, fucking take it. Because then you're going to recognize what you did here to the actual trading account of yours. You know, like for example, right over here. I know this candlestick pattern. I do. We call it an MES. But I've never seen the bullish candle being lower than the bearish candle. So that to me right now is giving me a mental note. Hey, if you see that, it might be a fake out. It might be a fake out. You pick things up here and there. I think it's more like a recognition game. Gotta remember patterns. You gotta remember, you gotta remember plays. I don't know. Like for example here. I know what this is. You know what? Here's another great example. Right over here as well. This is the exact example of what we are talking about right now. Bullish, bearish, bullish, just so this bearish could be higher than the bull. You know what I mean? Like it's not a natural M shape, nor is it a natural MES, whereas it's leveled or the left side is being taller than the right, if that makes any sense to you. I'm explaining this on my Instagram, so feel free to check that out. It's going to be c.mendez7. I'm very positive that's my Instagram handle. Never shadow that out. cmendez.7. That is my account. I want to. All right, well, you're not going to see it, but check it out. cmendez.7. That's my account. See, that was a fake out. Now we know this candlestick pattern. If a bearish one engulfs 3, that's the downside. It's all about pattern recognition, in my opinion. Sorry for that rant. I just like teaching. Boom. That is how we're looking. That is beautiful that we now got outside the bands again. It is scary when this went back in, but now that we are outside the bands, that's good. The bands are now spreading, and now the yellow is rising up. This is not a natural band spread. I feel it's going to be very jumpy, very manipulative. So I would not be surprised if price is going to go down and up to an extreme. It's going to be very bumpy. If anything, it's probably going to rise up here just to go down, or even barely touch the 60 line just to go down. See, it's already doing that right here, right in front of us. I could play this safe. I could play this extremely safe. Just because we have yet to break this gray EMA. And just because I see this. And then look, candlestick pattern here too. We got a bearish, 2 bullish, and a bearish. Exactly what we just spoke about not even a whole 2 minutes ago. It just candlestick recognition. But then again, we do have the W shape on the second higher low of this position that we're currently in. Top of that, bullish, 3 bearish, and a bullish. Or 3 bearish and engulfed by a bullish. So things are hand in hand at the moment. I see it bullish and I see it bearish, but I see it more bullish. I see it more bullish, honestly. We are still on this Aqua EMA. That's good. That is good. We are still here. All right, it's time for me to upload on Instagram or finish. What's it called? Finish editing my video for Instagram. So give me a minute. What is this? So 1 and 9. I don't know, but we're gonna let it ride until we're gonna let it ride now. I've just been slacking all day to do so. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab myself a water. So you have another M shape right there that is indicating, hey, we might actually go down. It's not the most beautiful M shape, but it is an M shape. It just matters if we break this area right here. Boom. The fuck are you doing? We might be cooked on this one, chat. Yeah, we might be cooked on this one. If we break that area, we're going down. But if we still stay on that blue EMA, we do have a possibility to still see Bitcoin rise. This right here is technically day one on a 5K fine account. We took a W on Friday. $372.30 was the exact amount. 1 day, 5 trades, 0 losses. 0 fucking losses. surprisingly got way more than I initially thought in this 5K account. But we're gonna work towards it because the next step is a 10K account, but we must pass this first phase first. Let's get fucking paid. All right, that one video's done. So now you have another fucking. This is a perfect M right here that just formed. Oh, yep, there it is. There it is, right there. Boom, 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 boom. How's the 30-second time frame looking? Okay, it's not the worst. It's not the worst. We might have an engulfing candlestick pattern. Not engulfing, but a tweezer. Was that right? M's and W's. What is that? Let me explain real quick. It's exactly what it sounds like. We are looking for M's and W's. This right here is a textbook M-shaped candle. You have a bullish one, you have a bearish one, a bullish one again, and to finish it off, you have a bearish one. Now, it is just candlesticks. Let me go ahead and show you a line graph. It'll help you a little bit more. That's how you know the market should be going down. Under one condition, the left side must be taller than the right side. Otherwise, it's a fake out. Where should you be looking for an M? At the top. You look for M's at the top of the chart. We got 2 finished videos of the 3 or 4 that I made so far. Man, this is just a lot of resistance. I'm gonna tighten up this stop loss. Minus 815. I got the M video there. Views. What is that? Let me explain real quick. Boom, boom. This right here is technically day 1 on a 5K fine account. We took a W on Friday. $372.30 was the exact amount. 1 day, 5 trades, 0 losses. 0 fucking losses. Yeah, chat. Surprisingly, got going down more than I initially thought in this 5K account. But we're going to work towards it because the next step is a 10K account, but we must pass this first phase first. I'm doubting myself, so I'm going to leave it. It's hurt me multiple times. Not only that, look. This is still above the 50. That's good news for us since we're going long. As long as we're above the 50, we're good. I can't always say that, but the possibility is still there for us. Okay. Gotta finish this video. A funded account. What is that? Let me explain to you real quick. It's OPM, other people's money. You're risking a little for a lot. For example, for my $5,000 account, I paid them $65 for that. I have no power to use all $5,000 or even to withdraw those $5,000. It's fake money. example, for my $5,000 account, I paid them $65 for that. $65 for that. Dollars for that. Let me make it easier for you. I'm gonna go ahead and use my exact situation with you guys. So I have a $5,000 account. I paid about $60 to $65 for it. I must trade 3 days in order to pass his account. In order to pass his account. Pass his account. And there goes our fucking stop loss. That's cool. GG's. 2 L's of ETH so far. It's alright. I was not fun. Oh, that would have been so beautiful if I swapped. But I didn't. I followed my trading assumption, my trading rule. I did not FOMO. I did not switch sides after seeing that it possibly could have swapped against us. It's cool. It's all right. It happens. Oh, that would have been so easy to see with... That's Chainlink. Why am I looking at Chainlink? That would have been so easy to see with fucking Ethereum. Oh. It's all right. That's cool. You know what? It is what it is. That's it for us. We tried. Nothing hit. Well, we will be back, though. Little loss. We're still up 10.5 grand. We're still up 10.5 grand. We're good. Alrighty. Peace.